Hey there, this is Gerald Bass, Credit Founder with the Rise of 1% reporting live from our beautiful theater room here at the Rise of 1% headquarters. And in today's video, I want to talk about how to run profitable ads on social media, being that you have a coaching business, being that you are a consultant, or you have a service-based business. Now, before I get into the information, I do want to tell you, want to stick around to the end of the video because I have a special resource that I'm going to share with you that's going to assist you with everything that I share in this video with putting it together. Okay, I'm gonna give it to you for absolutely free, being you stick around to the end. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. So with that said, let's get into talking about how to run profitable ads on social media for your coaching, consultant, or your service-based business. Now, I talk to a lot of coaches, consultants, and people that have service-based businesses all the time. And one thing that I do notice when it comes to their price point of what they're charging for their coaching program, or they have an online course, or they're a consultant, or some type of service-based business, a lot of times they're not charging enough for the value that they're providing or the transformation that their clients are receiving. They're basically charging based off what they may see other coaches and consultants and service-based business owners are charging, or they're charging based off what they believe people can afford, or they're charging by the hour, which to me, that's just another job. So before you run any type of social media ads, being you have a coaching, a consultant, or a service-based business, all right, you want to make sure you have an offer, okay, that's pretty high ticket, all right, pretty high ticket, typically in the $3,000 to $10,000 range, and it's a one-off sales transaction that's going to be taking place. Okay, not all these different packages and stuff, just focusing on one specific offer, all right, within the $3,000 to $10,000 range. Okay, and you price, once again, based off the value and the transformation and the result and the outcome that your client is going to get. What is that worth to them over the lifetime of you assisting them, all right? And the reason why you want to have more of a high ticket offer before running any type of social media ads is because it allows you to spend more money to acquire a client. Okay, so you can do a whole lot more with your social media advertisement in terms of paid ads, okay, when you have more of a higher ticket type offer. Okay, so I'm just going to give you an example. Let's just say you have a $3,000 offer, all right, and it takes you around $500 to get a client. Okay. That means that you'll pretty much recoup back your $500 once you get that client, and you'll make a $2,500 profit, right? Or even if it took up to $1,700 to get a client, okay, you still are recouping your money you're putting into ads, and you're still making a profit, right? And you still got a new client that you now can service and help them get results. Right? So you can spend a lot more money to acquire a client versus when you have the lower ticket type of items attempting to make social media ads work, because social media advertisement can get costly. And if all you have is lower ticket type of products, right, or even your services, what I mean by product being you're a coach or consultant having some type of online course, right, information product, or like I say, your services, all right, then it at times makes it difficult to become extremely profitable on the platform. Okay, so you want to make sure you definitely have that type. Now, another thing you want to make sure you have tight is you have some type of system, aka sales funnel, to be able to generate qualified leads every single day that convert over to high value clients. Now, in the coaching and consulting space, and even service-based business space, all right, a lot of times value video funnels work pretty well. Okay, better write that down. I have clients that spend a lot of money with myself and our company, okay, just for that one jewel. Okay, I just gave you the funnel that you want to be utilizing for your particular business. Right now, a value video is pretty much a video that hits on the pains, problems, and frustrations of your particular market. Right, it strikes a nerve in terms of their pains, problems, frustrations. What's keeping them up at night, right? What's always on their mind? What are they always worrying about? What are they angry about? Okay? And so it's a video, right? And a video in terms of a sales letter format, so we call it a VSL. Okay, so a written sales letter typically is a letter that's written to sell a product or service. A VSL is a video that is written and recorded to sell a product or service. Okay, that's pretty much what a VSL is. So like I say, in that VSL, you want to be hitting on the pains, problems, frustrations of that particular market. All right, speaking directly to them, what's going on with them. Then you want to show some type of proof of concept, success stories, results that you've gotten for previous clients. All right. And then from there, all right, you want to semi-give them the solution. Not give them the whole solution, because you give them the whole solution, why would they book a call with you? All right, so you want to semi-give them a solution and then a call to action if they need assistance to pretty much book a call with you below the video. We should have a calendar set up online and schedule a call and fill out the survey. Right? That's pretty much what you want to do. And the survey is actually designed to pre-qualify your leads prior to speaking to them on the phone. So it's questions that pre-qualify them prior to them speaking to you on the phone. That way you're not getting on the call with tire kickers. Okay, you get on the call with more qualified people that are serious about potentially working with you. Okay, so you want to have this in place, because this is how you're going to generate calls for your coaching, consulting, or service-based business. And then you're building an email list at the same time, because everyone is not going to convert over on the first call that you do to a client. So now you can nurture those leads through what we call email marketing on the back end, right? Where they may convert over to a client later on. So you want to be growing the email list. Plus, the email list is very effective in terms of you running ads, which I'm going to talk about later. Okay? I'm going to tell you this. There's a lot of your so-called gurus online. I don't really consider myself a guru. I'm a business developer. But there's a lot of your so-called gurus that don't talk about this type of stuff when it comes to running profitable ads. Okay? So I'm giving you a lot of game in this particular video. So you definitely want to take notes. All right? So that's what you want to do. All right? You definitely want to do that. Okay? So you want to make sure, once again, that you have more of a higher ticket type of one-off offer, okay, that's already selling, okay, it's already been validated, people are already buying. You want to also have a funnel in place to be able to generate qualified leads and calls daily that convert over to clients, okay, growing your email list. And then the next thing we're going to talk about the actual ads. Now, it's three parts of setting up a Facebook ad. You have your campaign objective, you have your ad set, then you have your ad level. Okay? I'm not going to go into really about campaign objective, but campaign objective is basically, what are you looking to get out of your ads, right? Are you looking to get traffic? Are you looking to generate leads, website conversions, video views, page post engagement? Right? What are you looking to get? Okay, so you choose your objective and then you set up your targeting, this is very key. Okay? This is very key. So when it comes to your targeting, for one, when it comes to cold market targeting with Facebook and let's say Instagram ads, then that's what we mostly focus on with our clients, is for one, you want to think about, okay, what pages your particular market follows on Facebook, right? What pages? In terms of, they may follow certain companies, certain influencers. Okay, what do they get their news from? You know, what magazines do they read? Do they watch certain news stations or certain television shows? What books do they read? Okay, do they use any type of softwares? Right? So these are some things you want to think about. And you have to do some research. Okay, in terms of being able to find these pages on a platform. Look at the size of the following they have, okay? And from there, all right, being that they have a nice size following, okay, you want to start to pretty much compose a list of these different interests that you could target with your ads, okay? That's what you want to do. All right, and also a tool that can help you as well with targeting is called Audience Insights. Okay, Audience Insights, you want to write that down, Audience Insights. Okay, it's a tool where you can find out more information on where your ideal clients are at, right? And different things about those particular clients as well, okay, from a demographic and psychographic type of perspective. Okay, so audience insights is definitely a tool you can utilize to do more research on targeting. Another thing in terms of targeting is you start to grow your email list, you can actually retarget your email list with ads in the future. Okay, so that's very key in terms of why you want to be growing an email list through your sales funnel. You can create what they call lookalike audiences as well off of everyone that's on that email list, meaning telling Facebook to go find people on Facebook and Instagram that look like everyone on your list and put ads in front of them. That's how you can majorly scale your business, okay, on the internet. Now we're going to talk about the ad level. With the ad level, I see a lot of people go wrong. They have coaching, consulting, service-based businesses. Is you're just not doing enough testing, right? A lot of times. If they're not working for you right now. If they're working for you, great, right? Maybe you'll get some information from this on how to scale, but if they're not working for you, then that's a lot of times the problem. They're not doing enough testing. They're not doing enough testing of different variations of ad copy. They're not doing enough testing in reference to testing out different images and different videos and different headlines. You have to test a lot of different variations of ads. Okay? You can't just test one ad and just expect that to blow up. You got to test a lot of different variations. And you're going to run with the winners and you're going to cut out the losers. That's pretty much how that works. And then the last thing is understanding your numbers. Right? Understanding your numbers. So typically when you have a coaching, consulting, and service-based business, all right, I'm not going to get into the metrics in terms of what you should be looking for in terms of cost per click and leads and stuff. If you want to know that, then I recommend you stick around to the end of this video, and I got something I'm going to share with you that would dive a little bit more in detail on those type of things, or you can schedule a call with me, etc. All right, but what I will say is what you're looking for in terms of your sales funnel, you're looking for at least a 20% conversion rate on your sales funnel. Right, in terms of people clicking on your ad, going over to your funnel to opt in, you're looking for at least 20%. Okay, in terms of people viewing your value video after they opt in, you're looking for around about 5% to actually schedule a call on the first exposure of the video. Out of every 100 people view the video, you should get 5 calls. Then you have a tight sales process, which is we help a lot of our clients get very tight on. Is you should be converting at least 1 out of every 5 on the first phone call into a high value client. And if you're not, then there's something wrong. If you're not hitting those metrics, there's something wrong. If you're not hitting the metrics with the funnel, there'd be something wrong in terms of the opt-in page that needs to change. If you're not hitting the metrics in terms of the value video, something needs to be changed with the value video. If you're not converting 1 out of 5 on the first call, then something may need to change in terms of your sales process and your offer. Okay, so that's what you want to keep in mind. So I hope this was some value to you. Hope you took some notes, because I have people pay me a lot of money just for the information I gave in this video. All right, but you got it for free. Okay, so feel free to share this around with anyone else you feel could benefit on social media, offline, etc. Okay, also bang that like button, being that you got value. Also hit that red button and subscribe, being you want more free training content like this, as I'm always putting them on this page. And if you are a coach, consultant, and service-based business, and you're looking to generate 5, 10, 20, even 30 new clients every single week online with predictability, and you want to go a lot more in detail on what I shared in this video today, want to see more visuals and stuff like that, then I would recommend you go and check out my free case study, www.geraldbass.com/moreclients. Okay, it's www.geraldbass.com/moreclients. And put your email in and you'll get access to the case study. So with that said, this is Gerald Bass, creator, founder with the Rise of the 1%. Have a great one on purpose.